Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter parallel and perpendicular lines. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? At first lesson, that is identify parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines and planes. Let's just start with the lesson. In the cube shown below, which lines are intersecting? Select all that apply. Okay, so let's see which lines are intersecting, right? CD and DH. Here is CD and DH. Yes, they are intersecting, right? Here is the point where they are CD and DH, that is intersecting line, right? Okay, now HI and EI. Here is HI and here is EI, right? Yes, they are intersecting lines. Then you have BC and FI. Here is BC and here is FI. No, they are not intersecting. Then you have HI and BE. No, they are not intersecting. So the correct option is the intersecting lines are CD and DH and HI and EI, right? That are these lines are the intersecting lines. Got it? Okay, in the rectangular prism shown below, which lines are skew? Okay, let's just see. The first one is skew lines are the lines that do not intersect and even not parallel, right? So you have to find the lines that are not intersecting and even right. So QT and RS, where is QT? Here is QT and here is RS. They are parallel lines. So this isn't the correct option. QR and ST. Here is QR and here is ST. Again, they are parallel lines. MQ and OP. Here is MQ and here is OP. They are neither parallel and non-intersecting. That is the skew lines. NR and MQ. They are parallel lines. So the correct option is MQ and OP. They are the skew lines. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, in the cube shown below, which lines are skew? Skew lines are the lines that are neither intersecting and non-parallel, right? Okay, so RS and RV. Here is RS and RV. They are intersecting line. This isn't the correct option. QR and ST. Here is QR. Here is ST. They are parallel lines, right? Okay, RS and ST. RS and ST, they are again intersecting lines. QR and SW. Yes, this is the correct option. They are neither intersecting and nor parallel. So QR and SW is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. Got it? In the rectangular prism shown below, which lines are parallel? Let's just see which of them are parallel, right? Okay, JK and LM. Here is JK and here is LM. They are parallel lines. Okay, PQ and JK. Parallel they are. PQ and NO. PQ and NO. They are also parallel. JN and LP. All of them are parallel. All of the above is the correct option. All the lines are parallel. So the correct option is all of the above. In the rectangular prism below, which lines are intersecting? So let's just find the intersecting lines, right? Okay. EF and FG, they are the intersecting line. Here is the point of intersection, right? EF and FI, they are also intersecting. Here is the intersecting point. HJ and IJ, here is the intersecting point. So all of the above are intersecting, right? The correct option is all of the above. Option number 1 is the correct option. In the cube shown below, which lines are intersecting? You have to find the intersecting lines, right? CD and DH. Here is CD and here is DH. They are the intersecting lines. Then you have HI and EI. Here is HI and here is EI that are intersecting. Then you have BC and FI. Here you have BC and here you have FI. They are not intersecting. HI and BE. Here is HI and here is BE. No, they are not. So A and B is the correct option. The correct option is A and B. Option number 1 is the correct option. In the rectangular prism shown below, which lines are skew? Okay, so let's just see which of them are skew. HL and JK. Here is HL and JK. They are parallel lines. IM and KO. They are parallel. IM and JN. IM and JN parallel. IJ and JK. They are intersecting lines. So which is Q? Hold on. Let me just check again. HL and JK. Option number A is the correct option. They are the skew lines. They are neither intersecting nor parallel. So option number A is the correct option. Got it? In the rectangular prism shown below, which lines are intersecting? Select all that apply. So you have to find the intersecting line, right? IM and MN. Here is IM and MN. They are intersecting. MN and NO. They are intersecting. So A and B is the correct option. The correct option is A and B. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is construct a perpendicular line. I think. Okay, let's just skip this lesson. The next one is transversals, name angle pairs. Let's just start with the list. IK and LN are parallel lines. Which angles are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are the angles which are formed in matching corners or corresponding angles corners with the transversal when two parallel lines intersect each other, right? They are on the same side of a line that intersect two parallel lines, right? So let's just see which is the correct option. You have to find out the corresponding angles, right? Okay, KJM and angle KJM and angle IJM IJM. Angle KJM and LMO. No, they are not the corresponding angles, right? Angle KJM and angle NMO. So KJM and NMO are the corresponding angles. The correct option is KJM, and this is KJM and NMO are the corresponding angles. They are on the same side of the line that is intersecting two parallel lines. So they are the corresponding angles. Got it? The answer KJM and NMO. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, SU and VX are parallel lines. Which angles are corresponding angles? Okay, so STW and XWT. No, XWT. They are not corresponding angles, right? Then STW and VWT. They are not corresponding angles. STW and XWY. Yes, they are the. No, they are not the corresponding angles. STW and VWY. They are the corresponding angles. STW and VWY are the corresponding angles. Got it? The correct option is option number VWY. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, GI and JL are parallel lines. Which angles are adjacent angles? Let's just see. Angle JKM and GHK. They are the corresponding angles, not the adjacent angles, right? So basically, the adjacent angles are the two angles that are side by side and share a common vertex and a common side, right? They must have a common vertex. Okay. JKM and GHF. No, they are not corresponding, right? JKM and IHNK. They are not corresponding. JKM and JKH. They are the corresponding angles. Here is the common vertex. They share the common. They are the adjacent angles. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is JKM and JKH are the corresponding angles. SU and VX are parallel. Which angles are alternate interior angles? So let's just see. Alternate interior angles formed when a transversal passes through two lines, right? The angles are formed on opposite sides of the transversal, and inside the two lines are alternate interior angles. Okay, so UTW and ST are, no, they are not alternate interior angles, right? UTW and VWT, they are not interior angles. Then UTW and XWY, they are the interior angles, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. That is UTW and XWY. Option number 3 is the correct option. UTW and VWT. Hold on. UTW and VW. Okay, yes, VW. They are the alternate interior angles, right? Okay, let's just move on to next one, right? Got it. KM and NP are parallel lines. Which angles are supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are the angles that sum up to 180 degrees, right? KLJ, KLO. The correct option is option number 1, right? That this is the angle that measures 180 degrees, so that is the supplementary angle. The correct option is supplementary. Okay, the next one is KLO and KLJ. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? IK and LN are parallel lines. Which angles are corresponding angles? Okay, so KJM, where is KJM and IJM? No, they are not the corresponding angles, right? KJM and LM. Oh, yes, they are the corresponding angles, right? The correct option is option number 2, KJM and LMO. Option number B, 2 is the correct option. Got it? TY and WY are parallel lines. Which angles are the adjacent angles, right? Okay. YXU, here it is. And YXZ, here it is. They are the adjacent angles, right? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is transversals of parallel lines. Find angle measures. Okay, look at the diagram. If OQ and QT are parallel and OQ and measurement of angle RSU is 61 degrees. What is the measurement of angle TSU? This is 61, right? The complete angle may make a supplementary angle. Measurement of angle S must be 180 degrees, right? So half of the angle measures 61. You have to find the rest of the angle. You have to subtract it from 180 minus 61 is 119. The correct option is 1. That means the angle TSU is 119 degrees. Got it? The correct option is 119. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, look at this diagram. If CE and FH are parallel, angle FGD is 43 degrees, right? Then angle CDB equals, they are the alternate interior angles. They measure the same. The correct option is 43 degree, right? The correct option is 43 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. Look at this diagram. If FH and IK are parallel lines, measurement of angle KJG, here is KJG, that is 59 degrees. Then what is the measurement of angle AGE? You have to find the angle of AGE. They are the corresponding angles, right? So they measure the same, that AGE must be 59 degrees. The correct option is option number 259 degrees it is. Look at this diagram. If OP and OQ and RT are parallel lines, and measurement of angle RSU is 61 degrees. What is the measurement of angle TSU? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 119 degrees. That's the one we did on the tutorial. Look at this diagram. If PR and SU are parallel lines, and measurement of PQT is 64 degrees. Then what is the measurement of angle UTQ? So which is the correct option? UTQ also equals 61 degrees. The correct option is 61 degrees, right? The correct option is 64 degrees. Look at the diagram. If OQ and RT are parallel lines, measurement of angle RSP is 118. Then what is OPN? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that must be 118 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look at the diagram. If NP and QS are parallel lines and measurement of angle QRO equals 123 degrees, what is measurement of angle SRT, which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 123 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. Look at this diagram. If EG and HJ are parallel lines and measurement of HIF is 66 degrees, what is measurement of angle GFI, which is the correct option? The correct option is 66 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is parallel and perpendicular lines, and the lessons we have covered today are identify parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines and planes. Then transversals, name angle pairs. Then transversals of parallel lines, find angle measures. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.